Hi, today I will show you how to paint a cute spider. Okay, I will use soft short fur brush to draw a circle for spider body. Then I will put shadow by using alpha lock. Then choose the darker color. Then paint it on the same layer. And do it again with darker color. Okay, after that, repeat the process again for making a spider head. And then I will make spider eyes, neck. The left skin show the end result after you putting the eyes finish. Finish just one eye and then duplicate another eye. And then group the layers, then minimize the size of the spider and then make the spider upside down. Next, making spider's legs. I will put gain textures to the leg. Finish just one leg and then duplicate to the other. And then make the spider shadow. Use Gaussian blur to make it look like shadow. Use distort tool to make the shadow look flat. And then I will put a blue background. And then put the texture to the background by using loud smeary brush. Yes, and then it's done.